dirt of the second. Just look at the landfall she made. Hard aground and still taking a battering. At Leningrad, a ship with a difference lies ready for her launching. She's the latest in icebreakers, and she's been honored with the name of Lenin. Of 16,000 tons displacement, she claims to be the world's first icebreaker equipped with engines driven by atomic power. The launching was a proud moment for her Russian designers and for all present to see her afloat in the river Neva. It seemed that everyone wanted to congratulate everyone else, obviously quite in order on such an occasion. Compete.